मेरे रश के कमर तूने पहली नज़र जब नज़र से मिलाई मज़ा आ गया. Hello and welcome back to the next episode of the Covers Talk Show, presented by the White Falcon Films and powered by CT Group of Institutions. आप भी यही सोच रहे होंगे कि मैंने आज अपना शो इस गाने से क्यों स्टार्ट किया है. इसका एक रीज़न है कि जो हमारे आज के सेलिब्रिटी गेस्ट हैं वो इस गाने पर बहुत बार डांस कर चुके हैं, चाहे हो इंस्टाग्राम, चाहे हो फेसबुक या कोई भी सोशल मीडिया. शी इज़ वेरी एक्टिव ऑन इट. Born and brought up in Karnal, she did her schooling from D. Lawrence School, Sanar, and passed her MBA from IMM Delhi. Yes, she's tall, she's beautiful, she's gorgeous, she's a perfect fitness trainer, and yes, she's a beautiful choreographer. So let's welcome one and only Divya Vasan, who is running a very renowned fitness and dance studio by the name Gravity Fitness. So let's welcome her. Divya, welcome to our show.
Thank you so much for having me.
Divya, I would like to start by asking you the very first question, that is, being a mother of two daughters, sorry I broke so many hearts right now, how did you manage to maintain such a perfect physique?
See, first of all, yes, a mother of two. Now today you've told everyone. Yes, my elder one is almost 14 years.
Oh really?
Yes.
Oh my god.
She looks
Okay.
even like she's taller than me.
Okay.
So a lot of people faint when they see us together and they come to me that I'm her mother.
Uh-huh.
But yes, due to my fitness and now with God's grace, I have this opportunity of training people. So it's
Yeah.
making me even more better. I was from the very beginning very conscious about how I look, how I feel, and how people around me
Yeah.
think about me. So since then the journey began and I've been keeping myself fit now towards society, doing something good for the society around, so making people fit.
Right.
So it's workout. I'm not a machine person.
Okay.
I am a foodie. I love to eat, and I tell everyone who comes to me that never crave for anything. Eat good. Just give me an hour of yours and
Can
just
you
work
please define
out.
what you mean by eat good?
Eat good as in, see, eat good. One is eat healthy,
Yeah.
right? Eat after every 2 hours. That's what I tell them.
Okay.
You know, never leave your stomach empty for more than 2 hours, and drink a lot of water.
Yeah.
Of course, and 1 hour is a must for your body. And eat good means, yes, throughout the week eat healthy, eat vegetables, eat homemade cooked food. Just stay away from refined sugars. But then if they like eating sugar, like I have a sweet tooth, so I love eating gulab jamuns, cakes and everything.
Okay.
I eat a lot, but then I have the capacity of working out. But if you can just work out for 1 hour, so I tell them you can cheat one day and have whatever you want to have, you know.
Okay.
Never crave. That's
Yeah,
it.
and avoid junk food, of course.
Yes.
Right. Okay, Divya, my next question will be like, what is your daily routine? I mean, how did you manage the family and then your fitness studio?
It's tough. Yes, I know. I leave the bed at 5 o'clock in the morning,
Okay.
and I get my bed back around 11 in the night.
Oh my God.
So I'm on my toes throughout, and my first batch starts 6:45,
Okay.
6:45.
All right.
Then till almost 12:30 I'm there, and then these things keep me busy.
Okay.
A few shoots, or I practice for myself. My batches are mainly for fitness. We do Zumba, aerobics, power yoga.
Okay.
But when I want to dance, do contemporary or whatever, you see my videos, Rush Ke Kamar. So I have
Yeah.
to practice a lot and then shoot before putting it on Facebook. So yes, I do that in that hour. Then almost 2:33 I come back home, have lunch. At times even that's taken by someone. So I'm not
Okay.
back for lunch also. And then 4 o'clock again the evening batches start until till 9 o'clock. And
Okay.
if I get wedding choreographies, which quite often I get them, then almost 12, 1 in the night I
Oh
come
my
back.
God. Okay. Then, like, how do you manage your professional and personal life?
I'm creating a balance, touch wood, trying
Uh-huh.
to. My elder one is in the hostel,
Okay.
younger one's with me, so when she's home, I make sure I'm home.
Okay.
So after school, I'm with her. And when she goes for tuitions and all, I've kept the timings accordingly. I
Okay.
keep her busy till the time I'm busy in the
Right.
studio. So she's busy with her evening classes, and then we
All right.
almost come back.
That's
home.
nice. Divya, you are MBA pass out, right? How did you then land to the very different field of dance?
I'll tell you, I always had this passion of dancing since
Okay.
my childhood.
Okay.
You know, when I was in Karnal. Like we have St. Joseph here. There was a convent school in Karnal. So there also I got admission when the sisters and all came home. They saw me dancing, you know. I danced for them. That time was I think Mithun's song Commando movie had come out. So they just played the song and I was dancing and they took me in the school, you know. And then in Sanar also I did my bit. I was you always have these awards when you graduate till 12th. I got this maths prize. I was the topper in maths and a dance prize from Sanar. So since there was a classical base, I've done a lot of ballets across India. We used to travel because of Sanar, ballet dancing and all. And then I wanted to go to Saroj Khan or Shamak Dawar. Then and my bags were packed from Karnal. My mom and I left for Bombay. But then there was a break in Delhi. So we were staying at someone's house. There, their daughter was a lecturer in Veranda House. She completely changed my mother's mind. You know, let her do her graduation, and you know, after graduation, probably she can do whatever she wants to. Then I got lucky. I was lucky enough to get good marks in my 12th. That time, Delhi University was always tough. Still, it is tough. So I got admission in Miranda House. Then after graduation, I wanted to do fashion designing. Then my mom was like, okay, let's do MBA now. So I did my MBA. And then I became a soft skills trainer. Motivational speaker. I worked with Hero Group. They have their building Hero ITS in Gurgaon, Palm Courts. That's where I worked for 2 years. I was hired by them. That was my first job. And then when I got married here, they somehow located. And then they put me in the institutional group. Then I was working for Hero in Lovely, in CT. I've done a lot of students, MBAs and engineers for their group discussions. You'll know what all batches they have. And then later on I opened my own company called Winstar in the same field. I hired MBAs, good MBAs, and I trained them on voice and accent and stress management, anger management and time management, group discussions. That was my forte. So I expertise in that. I did that for almost 12 years. I've taught students.
And that's why you have a smiling face ever.
Yes, because I say smile is contagious. Have you ever seen if you're walking on road and somebody smiles at you and you're like, why is she smiling at me or why is he smiling? You always smile back. So I always tell everyone smile is contagious. Even if you're smiling at somebody who's not happy or he's sad in life, maybe they get a smile because of you. So that's why, that's what my clients also tell me. I have trained a lot of Air Force officers, Army officers. So in the afternoon time when I'm free, I used to go and train them. So they used to come sleeping. But they used to see my face like, Divya, how the hell can you smile 3 o'clock in the afternoon? Look at our faces and look at you. So I have this, probably I've taught everyone, I'm a soft skills trainer. So I think positive energy that I used to give everyone is in me. So that ways. So that was for almost 12 years. Then I used to work out after 6 hours of training in colleges. I was always a fitness freak. So I used to work out at home. Then my friends like, how come? Because I gained a lot of weight. When my first daughter was born, I was almost 95 kgs.
Oh really?
Second daughter was born, I was almost 85 kgs. And to be very frank, I'm not a gym person. I visited a lot of gyms here. I never liked any machines and all. I was like, I'll do it on my own. Then at home, I did all this Zumba aerobics and dance aerobics, abs and everything. Then almost 9 months, I got my weight back, you know, that ways. Then my friends used to tell me, Divya, tu aisa kuch kyun nahi kholti hai? You know, why not help us? I was like, I'm in a total different field. Why don't you come home when I give myself 2 hours? I'll train you also. Like, no, you open something. We'll be your first clients. And those clients are still with me. Whoever told me to open, and they almost lost almost 18 kgs in first 3 months, 6 months, you know, like that. So it's just word of mouth. I never advertise. I've never put hoardings and everything of gravity. It's just word of mouth. It's spreading, so people are coming to me. So that's where it started. It's like, tu shuru kar, we'll be your first clients, why not?
You mentioned that you went with your mother for, you know, in Mumbai.
Yes, wanted to go, but we stopped at Delhi.
Okay, you stopped there.
So it didn't happen.
So I just wanted to know, after your marriage even, your family, your in-laws supported you for this dancing field?
That's why I'm here. They supported, probably they didn't believe that I could do something like this or it would become that big. Even I did not believe, you know, that you'll be sitting here taking my interview. I didn't know that. I did it just for fun because I believe I don't belong to Jalandhar, and here there was a lot of kitty trend, trend, you know. I have studied in Sanar, so I had no circle.
Okay.
There was no one I could talk to. Nobody knew me. You know, it was a fresh start.
Yeah.
So even when I was training in colleges, probably teachers, HODs, you know, deans, they knew me, but they're not the social butterflies, you know.
Exactly.
So the life was getting stressful. So I was like, let's do something. इसने मुझे भी खुश रखा. When you are happy and you respect your body, only then can you respect people around
Exactly.
you. If you are happy, people around you would be happy. So when they saw this, that she's happy, चलो दिल लगा हुआ है, you know, she's having a good time, she's making friends. Touchwood now have good handful of friends.
Yeah.
I can, you know, really, they'll stand by me. I know, because of gravity.
Exactly.
So when they knew this is happening, so let her have a good time. Let her,
Okay.
you know.
People start talking about you at your back क्योंकि आप कुछ कर रहे होते हो. Obviously, you're doing something good in
Maybe.
society. That's why आपकी बातें होती हैं.
Yeah.
So in that positive spirit,
Yeah.
you move
Probably
on.
negative publicity is also publicity.
Publicity. Exactly. Who could know better PR?
Yeah, maybe if they're talking behind your back, that means you have achieved
Right,
something in life. So I
exactly.
take it that way. Yes.
Exactly. Okay, we are moving to our next part, that is rapid fire. So without thinking or without taking any moment, you just need to answer what's coming in your mind, right? All right, first question will be, what is the one thing that Gravity has and other dance studios don't?
Divya Vasan.
Okay, of course. Which one of these item songs you could have done better? मुन्नी बदनाम हुई, शीला की जवानी, चिकनी चमेली या फेविकॉल?
Chikni Chameli.
We would love to see that.
Definitely, anytime.
All right, a rumor that you would like to spread about yourself?
I think there are already so many rumors that are being spread about me.
What did you like about any one of those?
I don't like anything, I just laugh at them.
Laugh?
That's it, yeah.
Okay.
So,
All right. If you were to make your debut today, which current actor would you want to cast opposite?
oh wow. I think Hrithik Roshan.
Hrithik Roshan.
Yeah, he's a god. I love the way he dances.
Okay, that's nice. So दोनों dance वाले जब मिल जाएंगे तो
Yes.
I pray for that day
Oh.
soon. All right, last but not the least, you need to give a priority of these three: dance, fitness, or spoken trainer.
Okay, here it won't be a one-liner or a one word.
Sure.
See, a spoken trainer, a soft skill or a motivational speaker has helped me in this as a fitness trainer as well. You can't just make everybody exercise.
Yeah.
Believe me, it's very tough for you to make someone who's 85 kgs believe that you will be fit one day and you can lose weight, you can look something like what I look.
Right.
So it takes a lot of spoken motivational energies as well. So both ways, both my professions are going hand in hand. अगर मैं सिर्फ एक बन के रहूँगी, it won't work.
Right.
So it takes me half an hour or daily with the person. There's so many depressed ladies who've come to me, whether it's their in-laws or whether it's with their, you know, I have examples. I can't take their names, but they message me every day. You're such an inspiration. You have, we were in our shell, you know, because of you we are out now. So they've overcome so many problems in life. Forget health issues to have
Right.
PCOD. Then they have thyroid, and then there was a girl who was born with the knees inside,
Oh.
like this. They were bent like this. So with
Okay.
my workout, it was her 18th birthday. She's like, "Ma'am, this is the biggest gift you've given me." Her posture was improved.
That's
You know.
nice.
So apart from that, a lot of people who just go in their shell, they, you know, they don't want to exercise. They come. And I can see, you know, that there's something wrong, you know, going in their head. So
Right.
I talk to them. So more than exercise, I have to talk to them as well. So I think अगर मैं एक भी छोड़ दूँगी, I won't be as successful
That
as.
would be unfair, I guess.
Yes. So both.
Okay, Divya, you have mentioned so many cases. You have transformed so many lives, I believe.
Yes.
But then, who is Divya's inspiration?
My mom.
Mother.
Yes.
Okay. Any moment you would like to share? जहाँ पे that will be a memorable one forever.
For me, every moment that I've been with my mom is memorable. My first ever interview when I was there for MBA, my mom told me that, you know, never, always, your hand should be always like this, not like this. That means you should be earning enough, you should be independent enough. And I've seen
Right.
her work, you know. I've seen her waking up early morning. She's a lawyer. She started her school with just 2 rooms. And now
Okay.
she has a CBSE renowned school, which is almost in 7 acres, spread in 7 acres, one of the best schools in Karnal.
Exactly.
So I've seen her the way, you know, she's, till now she doesn't rest that much. At the age of 60, I see other ladies just lying down, you know, on the bed and relaxing. I've never seen her like that. So
Okay.
she's still working, taking care of the home and the school. So I just keep getting that from
So
her.
it means you're the
that vibe.
replica of your mother.
I'm trying to be, but I never be like that, but I'm trying to be. I'm maybe 50% of her.
Do you think these dance studios have become a very easy way to mint money? Or if I say in case of business point of view?
I would say easy, but yes, I think you need to have something special in you to be able to survive in this business. But why not? If the girls, they want to be something in life and it's easy money for them, why not? So it's fine. But as soon as the clients start seeing you, maybe 1 month they'll join, 2 months, but then after 3-4 months they actually know how professional you are. So it's easy money, yes, I would say.
If I talk about other dance studios in city, right? What I feel is there are a few who don't know about anything about dance, but they are running their dance studios. So what is your take on that?
Yes, there's something wrong that you're giving to society. A lot of people come to me from various not only dance studios. I mainly run fitness batches. Yeah. The postures that they come with, the girls, are totally haywire. The shoulders are bent, and basic exercises, planks and squats and all, they don't even know the names. Forget the names. The postures are totally wrong. So if you're not professional, you're probably playing with somebody's body. Because if I say ladies अगर एक बुटीक पे जाती हैं, वो टेलर को बोलती हैं, सर मुझे ये वाली शेप चाहिए सूट की. Same way, if you are a fitness or a wellness coach, you should be able to design somebody's body. It's not about just zero size. It's not about just being thin. It's about proper shape, proper amount of muscles that you should have, lean muscles. It's about the posture, and it's about the coordination between mind, body and soul. Right. So जब तक वो एक trainer नहीं डाल रहा है, then obviously they're doing injustice, and I have nothing to say about them. Okay. So I think जो clients जा रहे हैं, they are the best judges, and they really need to see what they need to do. Sort of. Yes, I feel bad.
Okay, there are 6 questions, and you have to just say yes or no, nothing else. Okay. No explanations, no justifications, right?
और अगर no yes तो नहीं है तो not applicable.
No, it's not. There's no third option in that.
Okay.
All right. First is Divya has said something nasty about a person at his or her back.
No. I was always taught in school. I'm against this bitching.
Okay.
No, not at all.
All right.
I don't do it, and I preach that also. Don't do it.
Exactly.
Because that's the first thing which starts miscommunication between people. So right. I hate that, and I hate people who do that.
Okay. Second, the other dance and fitness studios in Jalandhar are nowhere in front of Gravity.
No, nothing like that.
Okay. Any love proposal you got after marriage?
Forget love proposal. A lot of ladies, very recently this girl was much younger. She came to me, and she joined Gravity. And I won't take her name. I call her now Bhabhi because she wanted me to be her Devarani. So she came to me, and then with lot of anger, मैम आपने मुझे बताया नहीं आपकी शादी हो चुकी है, आपने मुझे बताया नहीं आपके 2 बच्चे. मैंने कहा I don't have to tell whoever joins Gravity, ladies को that I am married, मेरे 2 बच्चे. She's like, मैंने तो पहले दिन ही जाके अपने हस्बैंड को बोल दिया था कि दिव्या मैम को तो हमने अपनी फैमिली में लाना. She's like, I would have been your Bhabhi. मैंने कहा no problem. यही पे आपको भाभी बुला लेती हूँ. So I call her Bhabhi now, although she's much younger to me.
Okay, so that's nice. Okay. Okay, you like freedom of living in a nuclear family?
No, but after a year, I think my in-laws also shifting. So I'm okay. Till the time they don't bother you, you don't bother them. So I don't feel the need of staying alone.
Sure.
Yeah, but pros and cons दोनों के होते हैं. बाकी let's see when they shift in how we go about it.
Okay.
So I don't know.
All right. Last but not the least, are you pleased being interviewed in the Covers Talk Show?
मैंने तो सोचा ही नहीं था. It's a dream come true. But yes, but yes, it's a pleasure. Thank you so much for choosing me. Thank you so much.
It's not an end here. My second last question will be: do you think that anybody can dance?
Anybody can dance. I've made people with 2 left feet dance.
Okay.
From a 5-year-old to a 65-year-old, I've made people dance. So I feel anybody can dance if you have the right coach.
Right.
Why not?
True. And what about your future plans? I mean, what all things are on the line?
I've been, with God's grace, lucky enough, along with my fitness, I've been able to get some, commercials. I've shot for some health protein shake recently,
Okay.
and then some shoe ad, and I've been lucky enough to be a fitness model for Punjab Kesari Health Plus channel.
Okay.
They shoot videos with me, and yes, there's one project with, I think all of you will know. You only have signed me, White Falcon Films. They've signed me for a small project, a 5 to 6 minute long movie.
Okay.
Although the role is totally opposite to what I am, they are
Okay.
going to make me cry a lot because
my
मेरे लिए रोना बहुत ही मुश्किल है. I keep smiling all the time.
Right.
But the topic, the story, when they came and told me, it was so touching. I actually felt like crying. They didn't make need to make me cry. I was actually crying. It's a very good topic they've picked it on
Okay.
on women empowerment, and
Okay.
it's lovely. So I'm really looking forward to it, and let's see after that
For
what
sure.
happens.
Good luck for the shoot and all.
Thank you so much.
Right. Divya, you said that you believe in anybody can dance.
Yes.
But then challenge is, do you think I can dance?
Oh, बहुत आराम से.
चलो फिर.
5 minutes and you'll be dancing.
Are you sure?
Yes, definitely.
Challenge.
Challenge
चलो.
accepted.
Challenge accepted. All
Yeah,
right.
done.
कैंडल लाइट मेरा विवादे करके सुनी सुनी चन्ना तेरे कैंडल लाइट मेरा विवादे करके सुनी सुनी चन्ना तेरे लारे मर गए हाथ गिराउण लई बड़े पानी भरे तू ना अज कल साडे नेड़े तेरे खड़े तू वे मैं झूठ ना है सैंदी सजना वे तू सिद्धा सिद्धा मेरे नाल निबड़िया कर कि मैं प्यार नाल रहिंदी सजना ना तू विगड़िया करी ना तू विगड़िया करी मैं प्यार नाल रहिंदी सजना ना तू विगड़िया करी ना तू विगड़िया करी मैं प्यार नाल रहिंदी सजना ना तू विगड़िया करी ना तू विगड़िया करी
So this was the story of very inspiring, positive and stunning Divya Vasan. We'll be right back with our next personality in our next show. Till then, keep smiling, spread positivity and good luck. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone. We are in conversation with the great Cover. आपको पता है 7 एपिसोड उनके ऑलरेडी आ चुके हैं, द टॉक शो विद कवर. और ये देखो, मैं आपको दिखाना चाहती हूँ, ये सब करते हैं. ये देखो, काजू इनको खिलाने पड़ते हैं, ये केले खिलाने पड़ते हैं ताकि एनर्जी आए और ये अच्छा शो आपके सामने पेश कर सके. आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे इस पे?
जी मैम, एक तो आपने बहुत सुंदर इंट्रोडक्शन दी है एंड इट्स अ प्रिविलेज कि आज हमने मैडम का शूट किया एंड इट वाज अ वेरी superb shoot with so many funny things.
Blood and sweat goes into making these shows, guys. Please really like them and support them. A lot of more episodes coming soon. I'm sure once you subscribe to the channel, I'm sure you're going to love it.
अच्छा पेज लाइक करो, ठीक है, फेसबुक दा
जी
फिर ग्रेविटी स्टूडियो दा दिव्या मैम
जी
अकेडमी जाओ, ठीक है मैम, तो डांस सीखो
Fitness.
कुछ नहीं ते द कवर स्टॉक शो
फिर सेलिब्रिटी बनो तो फिर कवर स्टॉक शो चा जाओ.
थोड़ी मर्जी ते वाइट फैल्कन फिल्म्स दा YouTube चैनल जरूर सब्सक्राइब करियो.
Thank you so much.
If you subscribe, you're really in for something really good.
Exactly.
Don't worry. You'll be happy once you subscribe to them. Yes?
Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you so much. Sat Shri Akal.
Bye bye.